Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make 鶏とさつまいものグラタン. Satsumaimo sweet potato season is just around the corner. So today, I'm making chicken and sweet potato gratin. I'm going to show you fail-free way to make white sauce and also how I build a menu with this gratin. So stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. 300 grams of satsumaimo Japanese sweet potato, 1 chicken breast, 1 onion, 200 grams of penne, or you can use other type of pasta, 3 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 40 grams of butter, 1 tablespoon of chicken stock or beef stock, shredded mozzarella as much as you like, 400 milliliter of milk, and some salt and pepper. Let's cook penne first by following the instruction on the package. This one needs to be cooked for 8 minutes, so let's do that. While you cook penne or any pasta you like, let's finish all the cutting. Let's start with satsumaimo Japanese sweet potato. I'm going to use it with the skin on to enjoy the nice color, so I washed it really well. Cut both ends off because it's dried. And let's just cut it into small bite-sized pieces. Put it in a Ziploc container. Put about a tablespoon of water. You don't have to measure it, you just eyeball it. Put the cover on, but don't seal it tight. Just put it on like this and microwave until it's nice and soft. Onion. Cut the top and the bottom off. Peel the skin. Cut into half. Then thin slices. And chicken. Remove the skin and trim off all the fat. Then into bite-sized pieces. Cooked for 8 minutes, so let's drain. I microwave the sweet potato for 5 minutes at 800 watts. And the toothpick can easily go through. All the ingredients are ready, so let's make it into gratin. Heat up frying pan over medium heat and put butter. let's cook onion and chicken. Both chicken and onion are well cooked. Make sure not to burn it. Let's turn the heat off. Prepare water bottle like this. Put milk, and flour. Seal it really tight and shake. Then add it to the frying pan. Give it a mix. And turn the heat back on. Cook it until it's thickened as you constantly mix it. Nicely thickened, and I can draw a line. Let's season it with a soup stock and some salt and pepper. Then add sweet potato and penne. Mix it evenly. If your penne is sticking, don't worry, it will be released here. Okay, turn the heat off and it's time to put it in the oven. Put it in the ovenware. Shredded mozzarella as much as you like. Let's grill in the oven until it's nicely browned, 250 degrees Celsius. Grilled for 20 minutes and it's done. Looking and smelling fabulous. Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. It's so rich and creamy. Absolutely delicious. You really have to try this. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. 鶏とさつまいものグラタン contains penne, which is carb, so it goes here, and it also covers the main. Anything you like for the other dishes. But how about tofu and bok choy soup here, steamed eggplant for one of the side dishes, and some sort of pickles to refresh your palate for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye.